Hi, I'm Cody with Engine Tech, here to talk to you about connecting rods. So as the name implies, a connecting rod connects your piston to the crankshaft. So the small end is going to attach to the piston pin of the piston, and the big end is going to attach to the rod journal of the crankshaft. Some of the important dimensions you want to look at is one will be the weight. So you want to make sure you're getting a very similar weight so you don't get vibration in the engine. You want to look at the width of the big end and the small end, make sure it's going to fit into your crankshaft and piston. You want to look at your beam length, so it's going to be from end to end of the beam. Then you also need your center to center. So what the center to center is going to get that measurement, you take the beam length and you add it to half of the diameter of the big end and half of the diameter of the small end. You'll also want to pay attention to our notes for any of the pertinent information to make sure you're matching up to what you have. And so go to enginetechcatalog.com and get your connecting rod today.